Hello everybody. We doing some home decor at this improvement in the basement. Taking down old windows, very old windows. It might have been here since this place was built in whenever, you know. But let's go over here. See, he already has the window out here. And he's going to replace this with block windows, as you can see. This is down in the basement. So that's going to be replaced with block windows. And we have one over here that he's going to replace. They're very old in the basement, so he's going to replace that with block windows too. They're old. And you can see him working in here, but I can't show you everything. See? He's doing some work and he's doing it over there. I can't show you. Come on. Come on, boo-boo. Come on, Laurie. No, you cannot work. Come on. Get your butt upstairs. Come on. He doesn't need your company. Okay, so we got the cats back upstairs, and I'll let y'all see it when it's all done, okay? Right now, I don't want to bother the home improvement man too much, so let him do his job down there. His home improvement is replacing the old windows that they were just in a mess with block windows, and I'll show you the results as soon as he finishes, because I can't really show him that much, but he looks like he knows what he's doing. He already took out one of the windows, and he has about 4 of them down there to replace. So this is Mildred, also known as Millie Mill, and Monet, signing out for Sweet Sugar Plum Home. We'll be right back in a few minutes, okay? I just have to give him a break because I don't want him to think that we are suffocating him. Okay, and Monet, you know, is at school, so on the internet. So we gotta wait for her. Hey, Gray. Okay, so we'll be signing out. Okay, and we'll bring y'all right back when he's finished. Bye. Okay, everybody, we're back outside. As you can see, he took out the old windows. You see them? It's the old window of the basement. We're taking it out and putting in a new window. I think he took a break. That's how it looked. You asked me what that is, but he took it out. And as you can see, it's all taken out over here. I think he has about 4 windows to do. Yeah, it's about 4 windows. So, this is the work, the home improvement he has done. Windows were very old, as you can see. Very old, it's even rotten away. Look at that. So that needed to be done. So here he put a cart, wooden thing here. Maybe he went to get some lunch, but he'll be right back. Let me see how that looks. I'll pull this back for y'all. Oop, I think my hands are in the way. Let me just go like this. Okay. So y'all can see the opening that he already made and took those out. Oh well, he got it cord in there, but here it goes, you see? So that's opening, and that's going downstairs where my laundry room and everything is at.
Hello everyone, this is Monet from Millie Mill, Sweet Sugar Plum Home. I'm just letting you know, just show you the update. Millie Mill wanted me to update y'all with the rest of the project that was done with the block windows being added down here. It is complete now. As you can see, the block windows has been installed, home improvement, and it looks great. The worker did an excellent job. Let's walk over here and look at the other one that was done as well. And this is this other one. I think we got done a total of 4 windows, but everything looks great. He did a good job in installing the block windows, window replacement. So this is the end results. So peace out. This is Monet from Sweet Sugar Plum Home, filling in for Millie Mill. Take care. Hey everyone, here is the rest of the windows. These are the remaining windows that was done, the block windows that were completed. The old ones were taken out, and this is the finished, actually the finished result. This is the completed results of this project, and it looks great. All right, and let's go over here and check out what other, here we go. Here's the other one. And here's the other one. Looks great. Good job. They did a good job putting these block windows in. All right, everyone. So I will definitely show you a before picture, and this is the after picture, and post the video and let you see the big difference. Peace out. This is Monet from Millie, Sweet Sugar Plum Home, filling in for Millie Mill. Have a good one. See you later.